So this is exciting. First project ever since finish of this place. Awesome. Okay, now we're getting started. The idea is I want to do like a, I had this piece of walnut, super awesome, bought it just because I said I was going to make a project out of it. Next thing you know, I never did. Here's my chance. It was rough and it was discounted. Now I want to do a his and hers kind of idea where we distinguish the keys, obviously we know, but something incorporating with sunglasses. I think it'll be cool. I'm gonna try that. I made something, I don't even know. This will be the hook, whatever shape it is, looks kind of cool. It's a little ridiculous that I'm using all my big clamps. Unfortunately, that's all I have. I did order more, so pretty stoked about that. I'm gonna call it a day. Feels good when you get stuff done. So now to the more exciting part, keys. I haven't done too much work in leatherworking. Always wanted to get into it, always want to do more with it. I love it, it intrigues me. So this is another step into that. I'm going to make a lanyard slash key chain, whatever you want to call it, with using just one rivet. So, first project in the new place. I really like it. It was a small, fun, and easy project. More like a little win after just finishing the place. I'm really happy with it. I went for a very simple, clean look. I really like how the leather just gives it a really nice touch. I had some walnut scraps on hand, and I figured, what should I make out of it? And man, I could have probably used something else, not such a big piece, but I really like it, and it was just fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, join me on the next one. And until then, be BeeNeh.